What's up, everybody? It's John Lester here from Homebuyer Mississippi. I'm here with Jared Miguez from Arena Title and Law, and we are going to talk a little bit today about selling inherited property.
Yeah, so one big question that we get is, how does the probate process work? And so, obviously there's procedural requirements in Mississippi. It's a little different than Louisiana because I know y'all do business in both, and so do we. And so we're very good at systematizing the process in both states. And so in Mississippi, you actually have to have a hearing, which is different than Louisiana whenever it's regarding the probate process. So that process may take a few extra weeks to get done, but we encourage people to get the contract signed early by all the heirs, let you guys start the due diligence process, allow us to get the process moving. And then once we meet with all the heirs, we get them to sign an engagement, and then we start filling out the paperwork that's going to need to be filed in the record. Once the paper's filed, it gets presented to a judge. The judge reviews it. Then it goes to a hearing. We present our case at the hearing, and then the judge ultimately signs off either appointing somebody to represent the estate, called the administrator, or they'll put the property in the heirs' names at the signing of the succession paperwork, and then all the heirs would come and sign at closing. And so there's some logistics on when that's more beneficial in the probate process, and we talk about that in a strategic meeting with all the heirs before the process starts. So the logical process would be have the contract signed, immediately set in a consult with the attorney, and then we're going to get the paperwork signed and plan on everybody signing the paperwork so we can get the probate process started relatively quickly.
Great. So if you have a house like this that you want to sell, you can reach out to us and we can help connect you with Jared, or you can reach out to Arena directly if you want to talk to an attorney before you make any decisions about selling the property.